Yeah, hi everyone. See, in the last session, I explained just how to define the variables and how to work with the variables. So nothing but how we use variables in programs. See, first of all, what is the purpose of variables? Whenever you are writing program, just variables are used to store information. We have seen already this simple thing. What kind of program you are writing? If it is a college management system, all the student details you have to store. Employee management system, employee details you have to store. Library management system, for example, textbook details you have to store. Any online banking system, account details you need to store. E-commerce, then product details you need to store. Where we are storing all these information values, nothing but all these values where we are storing simply variables. Variables store information. Okay. After storing information, just how to work with. Already told you, whenever you install the Python program software, you need to open IDLE software. IDLE is nothing but one editor. By using that editor, you can write and run Python programs easily. Python programs easily. After installation, just search for IDLE. Here it is. IDLE, if you search, it will show. Just click on that one. It will open that application as a software. Simple software it will open. After opening this one, now here it is. We need to open the file, new file, then editor will open. In editor, you can write the programs. I clearly explained in the last session. Here, this is the editor. Here you can write the program. See, simple way, how can you write the variables? Few examples I'll explain. Then multiple programs will see. First variable. Suppose here it is age I am storing. Age, person age. Suppose is a 21 is the age. How can we print simply? Directly print. Age we are printing. Age. Okay. For example, name of the person. Simply name. Name you need to specify in double quotes. It's a string. It's a string. We are printing. Just print that name. Don't put it in double quotes. Variables we should not place in double quotes. As it is, you have to write. Then it will print. Save the file. Just Control S is a shortcut also you can use. On my desktop, at any location you can save. Just desktop. Any name you can give, but extension should be .py. .py is the extension. Save it. Save. How to run the code? Just run the module. You will get the output is here. This is the way. Sir, here side by side I want to print. Just here you can use comma. Name comma age. Instead of using two print statements, using a single print statement also. Save it. Before run, every time you please save. Run the module. Look at this. Side by side is printing. Now let me explain more clearly. One example I'll type and you please practice that example. Two variables I am declaring. A equals to 10, B equals to 20. Here actually how to print I want to display. Hash means is a comment. First I want to display 10 space 20. I just want to display like this. Okay. How can I display? Print a value, comma you have to specify, or suppose if you specify B, you will get error message. You will get error, invalid syntax. You need to specify the separator is comma. When you run directly without save, it will ask source must be saved. OK means save. Look at this. Automatically it will take the separator is a space. No sir, in the second case, I want to display 10 comma 20. I need comma. I need comma. How can I do that? See, sir, I have given comma here. It will not display. I need to display comma. So print A, comma. This is important. You need to display comma. Then B. Try to understand. First, A value will display. A value is at 10. Next, comma will display. Comma. Next, B value will display. Run the code. Look at this. 10 comma 20. Sir, here extra spaces are coming, sir. I don't want these. I don't want these extra spaces. That's why they introduced recently string interpolation. Very, very important concept. String interpolation they introduced. No, that's not a separate. That is also that we are using in a loops also. Look at this. If you are using like that, that will not work for print. See how you are displaying A comma B. String interpolation, $, $. Now you need to specify. That is F string, F. F is a format string. F is a format string. That is. Here you need to specify A value. A, comma, you need to specify B value. A value and B value. Look at the output. This is the new thing, formatting the string. They introduced recently. Sir, what is the advantage? What is the advantage? That is only the advantage. That is only the advantage. Easily you can display the value. This one will print here. This one will print here. Space will come. No, sir, I don't want spaces. Now everyone using this newly formatting string only. Anything easily you can display. More examples I'll tell. Quickly practice. Any message, please drop in the chat box. I'll explain. Any message, you just drop in the chat box. I'll check your message so that I'll explain quickly. Okay, na? Everything. Just working with variables only we will discuss today. After that, few arithmetic operations I'll explain quickly. Yeah, F means formatting. What are the scenarios where we can implement the formatting string? See, that one only I'll explain with multiple examples. Let me show you. This is simple way, na? Now, suppose we are declaring the variables like this. I'm taking employee details, employee name, employee age, employee salary, employee salary. Suppose I'm taking like this, employee address, employee address. I'm storing like this. You know that variables how to store. But the question is, sir, I want to display output will be like this. Details colon, Ram, comma, 23, comma, 23,500, comma, Hyderabad. Of course, it's easy, but first let me explain this one. See how I'm explaining. Look at this. Actually, we need to write in a single statement, but clearly print. First, only this much I am writing. Details. Next, here it is a space, comma. Hard thing I am writing. Hard thing. Ram means what? Name. What it will display? Up to here, if you display, when you run the code, output is only this. Next, comma I want to print. What I should do? Comma. Then comma will print. Comma will print. See, I let me write like this. You will get more clarity. I just want to add one comma. Comma. Then it will print. In the second line, I am writing. Part by part, I am writing. I want to make you clarify everyone. Next to 23, I want to give. Why separate lines, sir? You are writing means I don't want to show in a single one. 23 means what? Age. Then up to age will display. Age. It is also become hard by this much. Next again comma. So again what we should write? Comma in double quotes, comma. Comma in double quotes, comma. It's hard, no? Again 23,500. 23,500. 23,500 is a salary. Salary like this. It's hard, no? Instead of that, look at this. I'm copying everything like this. Print with F string directly. See, look at this. Details are in this one name, comma, age, comma, salary. How easy the next thing is. Execute the code. Look at this. So it's an old approach. It's a formatting approach. So everyone please follow this one. Quickly practice and type the code. Please drop the code in chat box so that I'll understand. How many of you practice it? This is just I explained to make you more understandable. I need this one and this one. This is main thing. Okay, na? So now one example I'll ask. Just one example. Same only, like employee details, right? Now I'm writing the student details also. Same, name equals to next age is equal to course is equal to, I'm writing C, course is equal to. See, so my requirement, I want to display like this. Name equals to, in the next line, age is equal to, in the next line, course is equal to, I want to display clearly like this. Normally what we have to do? Three statements we are writing. Name equals to name, age is equal to age, course is equal to course. We are taking like this. Yes or no? When you run the code, exactly what we expected, the same thing will display. The same thing will display. Name, age, course. Sir, I want to write in a single statement. Single. Print. Look at this. Name is equal to name. Next one, sending the control to the next line. Next line, how you write a slash n? Slash n, comma. In the next line, age is equal to age. Will you write like this? Run. Look at this. Name. Next one is a age. Next one is a age. After slash n, next age is printing, or here combinedly you can write, no problem. Age. Confusing, or separately you can write. Age is equal to. Slash n means will send the control to the next line. So why, sir, this much? Why that much? Easy way. Same story. Name is equal to just F string. Name is equal to what you want to display here? Name. Next, please send the control to next line. In the next line, what you want to print? Age is equal to. Okay. Print age. Again, sir, sending the control to next line. In the next line, what you want to display? Course is equal to. Is a course is equal to. Okay, display the course. How easy the things are. So with the format string, is one age. Again, this. It's a hard. It's a hard. Better the new thing is what? So don't use this. Don't ever use this. That is the way. Please do this. Everybody, quickly do. Easy. Today we just concentrate on these things only. Everyone can answer by the end of this class. Don't worry. Easy. Now, basic operations. Let me sorry. Let me take two variables a and b. A with some value, b with some value. Sir, can we write side by side like C and other languages like A5, B3? You can't write like this. Side by side, if you want to write, you can write like this in Python, 5 comma 3. That 5 will store into A, 3 will store into B. This is the way we need to write. This is two variables. Now, sir, I want to print sum. C is equal to A plus B. Okay. First, simply I want to print like this. I want to print 5 plus 3, 8. How easily you can print C. Finish. Done. Sir, next I want to print like this. Sum is equal to 8. Then how you print? Print format string only use everybody. Please. Format string. Sum is equal to, in place of 8, C. So next, I want to print clearly like this. Sum of 5 and 3 is 8. Okay, no problem. Print, copy paste everything. Copy paste. But in place of 5, what do you have to write? A. In place of 3, B. In place of 8, C. Easy syntax they are providing in Python. Easy syntax. Sir, I want to print like this, sir. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Happy now? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Print F string. 5 means A plus 3 means B equals to C. That's it. See, the format string is important because end user easily understand the way you are presenting. Is it understandable? No. It is little bit readable. How clarify these two things? More clarity here. So you can provide like this. In the short form, you can provide like this to your end user. So the end user will be more happy, na? That's why. Okay. Do this quickly, everybody, and drop the code in the chat box, please. Please type basic operations we are doing. Don't miss this. Once you are learning the basic programming, quickly you can practice, and the practice also will be more interesting. That's why. Okay. Now I'll explain all arithmetic operators so that you will write one example for me. One example. Okay. We know that addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Here, arithmetic operations in Python. Arithmetic operations in Python. Programs later. Plus, minus, multiplication, division, and mod. Next one is a floor division. Exponent is there. First of all, let me explain about all these things one by one. Okay. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay. First come to this division and mod. Division means when you divide 5 with 2, 2.5 times. 2.5 times is a 5 and the remainder is 0. The division will give this 2.5 exactly. Here it is 5 by 2 will give you the answer is 2.5. Okay. That is division. This is division operation. Okay now. Next one is a mod operation. Next one is, oh my god. Next one is a mod operation. Mod. Suppose here we are doing 5 dividing with 2 means only 2 times it will take. Integer part only it will take. 2 2's 4. It will leave you the remainder. Here 5 mod 2 is 1. Remainder will give you. It will leave you the remainder. This is mod. Means remainder will give. Division. Division means quotient will give. Quotient will give. Next one, look at this. This is actually called floor division. Is a floor division. Let me explain here. Same division operation only will perform. Division operation only. 2.5 only. But from this 2.5, this is 5. Remainder is 0. Okay. But from this 2.5, only integer part will give. Floor value, floor of 2.5 means that is integer part 2. So 5 by 5/2 means what? It will go only integer part, not a 2.5. Exponent means this is actually called floor division. It's called what? Floor division. Exponent means what? Suppose 5 or 2 power 2. 3 means what? Meaning is a 2 power 3. Meaning is 2 power 3. 2 into 2 into 2. Output is a 8 will come. 8. Suppose is a 5, 2. And this is called a 5 square. 5 square is a 25. Is a 25. Is a simply we are printing like this. Simply we are printing like this. Hope you got the things. Now all these things I'm explaining with programming now. Just with the programming I'll explain. Okay now. With one example. Same. A, B. Taking 5, 2. 5 comma 2. How simply I'll write the code. Look at this. Print f string. We are writing a plus b. A plus b equals to a plus b. Got it now? A plus b. For this, I am writing everything. Everything I am writing. Make it minus. Make it multiply. Make it division. Make it mod. Everything. Double slash. Exponent. See, just to get the outputs more clearly. How clear 5 plus 2? 5 minus 2. 5 into 2. 5 by 2, 2.5. 5 double slash 2 in 2.5 only integer part. 5 square is a 25. 5 mod 2 is a 1. Please do this and drop the code in the chat box. Everyone. Actually, these operations enough for today. That's why I'm asking. Everyone, please write. So, number of arithmetic operations. Number of examples we'll see on arithmetic operations. I'll explain one by one. These programs you practice after completion of a class. Let me explain one by one easy. First one, they will give, okay, first let me explain how to read the input values from the user. See, every time I'm taking like this, sir, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2. Sir, I'm taking like this, na? I don't want to do, sir. I want to take input from the user. For that, one function is there. That function is called input function in Python. Function is a input function in Python. This will read. It takes input from user while program is running. While program is running, I want to take input from the user. One simple example. We start from the very basic example. We ask, please enter your name. Enter your name. They will enter, na? How to take using input function. That input function will return the value that we collect into any variable. Name, X, Y, Z, your wish. Variable name is your wish. But sir, message I want to print very clearly. Suppose if they enter Ram. Hello Ram. Welcome. The message I want to show like this. It's easy, na? Here it is a print format string. Hello in place of Ram is a name, comma, welcome is the message. Easy formatting. Whatever the name they can enter. See, now when you run the code, look at this. It is expecting enter your name. You need to enter your name here. I'm giving that Amar. Enter, look at this. In place of this name, is showing that it is reading the details from the user. Reading the details using the input function. Okay. First do this quick. Drop the message. Okay. See, sir, I don't want to give print here because see, enter your name. Print statement automatically send the control to next line cursor. Cursor is waiting here to get the input. No, sir, I want to give the input here only. Directly, you can remove print. For taking the input, that prompt you can write here directly. Here only you can write. Same program, you run the code again. Look at this, now the cursor is blinking here. Now you can write name, same output you will get. Print statement means it will send the control to next line. But instead of that, why is there only extra statement? In input function only, you are providing the prompt, what you want to give to specify that one. Easy. Do this one. Okay. Now see, sir, I just want to read two numbers performing the addition operation. I'm asking like this. Input, enter first number. Clear message I am providing. They will input na, that you are taking into a variable called A, suppose. Next one, again I'm asking enter second number. Enter second number that we are collecting into B. Adding both and printing. C is equal to A plus B, print same that sum is equal to C we are printing. C we are printing. But one point you need to recognize. Input function problem is it will take input in a text format only, string format. Suppose if they give input is a 10 and 20, it will take like this. String plus string will be concatenated, will give you that 10, 20. Will give you the output is a 10, 20. That's all. Okay, na? So what we have to do first, let me show you the output of this code. Run the code. First number is a suppose 23. Second number is a 65. It's not 88. Output is a 2365. That's why I already told you in the last class, conversion functions will come very soon. We need to convert that AB into integers. Integer of A, integer of B. That string we are converting into integer. This is conversion function. Input function take the input in string format only. So for conversion, it is required. Now if you run the code again, Same input if you give 23 and 65, output is what we are expecting exactly. The same thing it is provided. Do this one quick. So what we have seen arithmetic operations. On arithmetic operators, how many programs are there? I'll just drop all programs in the group. Everyone please practice all these programs for today. Okay, na? Everyone please join by 4. It's a 1 hour continuously class with a practice. Maybe it will be more extra 15 minutes like that. Okay, you can leave for today. Any questions, you please drop the message in the chat box.